Hi, my name is Rick from Dorso's Automotive, Fremont, California. We've been using ShopBoss since 2022. My favorite feature is a DVI. Adds a lot of value to what we do. The texting feature is great. Texting estimates, testing communication, your car is done, please call us. When we text, a lot of our customers are working. They're in meetings. They can answer a text, but they can't answer a phone call. So it's much quicker for productivity. And also the estimate texting, emailing works great. Approval, that's second to none. For parts ordering, we either use NextPart or Parts Tech that's integrated with ShopBoss. The CUI is also integrated with ShopBoss, so that's good. If somebody were looking into ShopBoss, I say give it a try. The support is great. You can either do the chat or your phone call. The software is great. Customers like it. It makes it easier for us. The inspections are great. Can't go wrong.